Hello everyone, my name is Raina and this month's topic is bridging the age gap. Do you know what is bridging the age gap? Let me tell you. Bridging the age gap is connecting the younger people and the elderly people. Bridging the age gap is very important. Let me share with you my experiences of how I spend time with my grandparents. I like to visit my grandparents with their favorite food and eat together with them. I also chit-chat with them while eating together. On special occasions, we bring them to restaurants to have nice meals. I also enjoy watching television programs together with them. My grandparents like to watch Chinese dramas, and I will accompany them to watch the dramas together. Sometimes I play card games and Chinese chess with them. There are many ways that we can encourage kids to bridge the age gap with the elderly. Kids should learn to respect and love the elderly by paying more attention to them and making them feel needed. Kids can also learn to accept and appreciate the elderly's way of doing things and even learn new skills from them. Visiting them more often and helping to take care of them are also good ways to connect with them and to bridge the age gap. I hope all of you will spend more quality time with the elderly. Thank you everyone for listening to my speech.